Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mia. Most of our customers frequently ask some questions about our battery. You may also want to know how we produce our battery, how do we ensure the battery quality, and compare with others, what's the differences between our batteries with others in the market. With those questions, I will lead you to visit our production line in our factory. You may find the answer. First of all, you can see here, those are our cells. We adopt A-grade cells from top-rank manufacturer to guarantee our battery quality. Now it goes to our first step, cell sorting. In this step, we will divide our cells into 3 different grades through our automatic mechanic equipment. We put the same or the closest parameters of cells together in a modular. In this section, we upgrade the fine-grained production to make our battery have a better performance and a long life cycle. After sorting, it goes to the next step of our plasma cleaning. In this step, we will put our cells into this plasma cleaning machine to remove the dust and dirt on the surface of the cell, which also prepare for the welding of the battery to reduce the defective products during welding. It is also a very important way to improve the safety of our battery when people use it. Okay, now we go to our next step, modular fixing. In this step, our cells is fixed by our automatic machine. Our operating process is set in advance by our programmers. In this step, we call the laser welding. In this section, we use PCB instead of the traditional wiring harness. This is a vehicle level of protection way instead of the traditional wiring harness connection method to optimize waterproof, fireproof, and dustproof. Now we go to another very important process we call the current busbar welding. In this part, it is worth to mention that we adopt the world top equipment ABB welding robots. Compared with other brands of welding equipment, ABB robot arms are more precise. It is also a key way to maximally put an end to the safety hazard when people use it after a long time, such as solder defects, aging problems, etc. After welding of our battery modular is completed, we will conduct the voltage test on it. The qualified battery will go on the next step, but the unqualified battery will return back to NG by machinery. Okay, now we go to our assembling part. In this section, you can see the production line behind me. We will do our battery pack and assembling our BMS and wear strings in this part. Now we move on to our final step. We will use our inspection machine to inspect battery, including the BMS test, charge and discharge condition, etc. Each of our battery is traceable. Most of our peers don't adopt the technology we have, such as the sorting process. We divided our cells into 3 different grades. We do plasma cleaning and we use the world famous equipment. But to make sure all of our cells are guaranteed to meet the best quality of battery, we will do it. To heighten the security of battery, we use PCB instead of the wire to fix the cells, which is still uncommon nowadays because it certainly increased the cost. When it comes to MES system, it can trace all the process of production on the battery. There is very few battery workshops have their own system like that.